The USCIS backlog exploded in the past 2 years, reaching more than 8 million pending cases at the end of fiscal year 2021. In 2022, we can see some light of hope because USCIS made recent announcement to reduce the backlogs and issue more green cards. Although submitting an immigration application can be a long and complex process, especially for those applying themselves. Ultimately, there is a lot of information an applicant would need to understand before submitting a successful application. In this video, we will provide you steps to fall into backlogs and speed up your immigration process.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Let's look into the video now and find out the steps to be followed to avoid delays in your petition process. Step number 1. Include additional documents/error-free application. If you decide to process your U.S. immigration application on your own, there is a lot of room for error as immigrating can be a complex process. An easy way that all applicants can do to speed up their USCIS application is to be sure the submission is error-free. Additionally, when you are asked to provide supporting documents, submit everything you have even if the number of documents needed is met. If you are lacking support within documents you provide or the USCIS reports an error in your application, you will receive a request for evidence, RFE. Receiving an RFE does not mean your application has been rejected, it just needs tweaking. We suggest trial check your immigration application, as receiving an RFE will inevitably delay your application process. Step number 2. Considering for premium processing. For workers coming to the USCIS, you are given the option to pay for premium processing, which is guaranteed completion within 15 calendar days. If your application isn't processed within 15 days, you will be refunded the premium processing fee and will continue with expedited processing. When seeking premium processing, you will need to determine if you are filing a Form I-907, $1,440, $2,500, or Form I-129, $1,440, $1,500. Step number 3. Make a USCIS service request. There are many reasons why an immigration application could be delayed. In some scenarios, your application is being updated incorrectly or simply lost. In this case, it's a great idea to contact USCIS to find more out about the status of your application. Oftentimes this helps to speed up the process. Step number 4. Request expedited processing. If you find yourself in a situation where expedited processing is vital and you aren't able to pay for premium services, you can request expedited processing through the USCIS. The USCIS may consider this request if severe financial loss to a company or person, provided that the need for urgent action is not the result of the petitioner's or applicant's failure to urgent humanitarian reasons, compelling U.S. government interests, such as urgent cases for the Department of Defense or DHS, or other public safety or national security interests. Clear USCIS error. Step number 5. Hire an immigration lawyer. Immigration is not always simple, so we often recommend speaking and hiring an immigration professional to help with your application processing. Not only do immigration professionals know the rules and regulations, which often change, but we also get frequent updates that could possibly affect your case. When looking to hire an immigration lawyer, be sure to find some qualified to carefully handle your case and improve your chances of approval. Green Card allows a non-U.S. citizen to gain permanent residence in the United States, but getting Green Card is not an easy process nowadays. Takes about 3 to 4 years for a Green Card to become available for applicants from most of the countries around the world. But it can take decades for the citizens of countries such as Mexico, China, India, and the Philippines. United States government follows the Immigration and Nationality Act to allocate the green cards every year, which allows total 140,000 employment-based green cards available per year, with a limit of 7% or 9,800 green cards per country. The 7% per country cap is fixed, regardless the size of the country. A country like Iceland with a 356,000 population gets the same numbers compared to the countries like Mexico, China, India, and the Philippines, which has millions of populations. In June 2021, the Equal Access to Green Cards for Legal Employment (EAGLE) Act of 2021 was introduced by Democrat Representative Zoe Lofgren and Republican John Curtis, expected to benefit the U.S. economy by allowing American employers to focus on hiring immigrants based on their merit, not their birthplace. In April 2022, the U.S. House Judiciary Committee has passed the draft bill of the EAGLE Act to raise the 7% per country limit on family-sponsored and employment-based green visas to 15%. Here are the latest NVC immigration visa backlogs and details. However, the pandemic continues to severely impact the number of visas our embassies and consulates abroad are able to process. Number of 4 applicants whose cases are documentarily completed NVC and ready for interview as of March 31 is 453,797. Number of documentarily complete 4 applicants scheduled for April 2022 interview appointments is 32,439. Number of eligible 4 applicants still pending the scheduling of an interview after April 2022 appointment scheduling was completed is 421,358.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!